I'm an overeater, and I'm not talking about like I just like to eat food. I'm talking about I can eat a ton of food, and I like to eat a ton of food. At one point in my 40s, I weighed 235 pounds, and I had to lose 50 pounds. And then a few years later, I weighed 215 pounds and had to lose 30 again to get back to my 185 that I like to be at. So if you're expecting some fitness guru to sit here and tell you how good he is with managing his intake, you'd be wrong. But I do manage to stay relatively lean. Right now I weigh 172 pounds. And here's the thing, I still eat a ton of food. I don't eat tiny meals, and I don't food prep all day. I don't spend my entire Sunday cooking 47 tiny containers of chicken and broccoli. So how do I manage to stay lean, 172 pounds with muscle on my body and still eat a ton? That's what we're gonna get into. Most diets are built around a fantasy. They assume that people are gonna wanna start eating tiny meals, that they're gonna wanna meal prep all day, once a week. They assume that people are suddenly gonna wanna stop having dessert, but that's just not how most people work. I've probably been an overeater pretty much my entire life. When I was a little kid, I tended to be kind of scrawny, and I would get sick once in a while, and I was always encouraged to get seconds and to clean my plate. Whether that's the reason or not, I don't know, but that programming has really never left me. I've never dealt with whatever it is that makes me overeat, and I still like to eat a lot. So my goal has never been to stop stuffing myself. My goal has always been to stuff myself with things that, although I am eating a tremendous amount of food and it still fills me up and I'm still really full when I'm done eating, the numbers within the foods that I eat are not going to make me be overweight again. And when I figured that out, that changed everything. I discovered what is known as calorie density. There are some foods that are ridiculously easy to overeat, and there are some foods that are really, really hard to overeat. A few handsful of chips, 300 calories. A giant bowl of salad, not many. A ton of vegetables, again, not many. But here's the deal, I don't like vegetables that much. I really don't eat them that often. Protein needs to be your anchor. Protein is what builds muscle and preserves muscle even when you're working out a lot and operating in a calorie deficit. You gotta preserve muscle. It's not magic, it's just nutrition science. So if I'm gonna overeat, even though I would love a giant bowl of cereal, I'm gonna overeat on my protein. And here's a key thing in all this is staying busy. I work, I do the YouTube channel, I edit video, all the things, right? I have a life. That keeps me busy and not thinking about food. So one of the things that I noticed would happen is I would be starving by dinner time. I wouldn't eat all day. I would eat one meal a day, which is known as OMAD. And by 5 o'clock when I would get home, I am absolutely starving. All I wanted to do was eat. That made it harder to work out because working out on an empty stomach when all you want to do is eat can be really, really difficult. So I started to eat breakfast. I eat a giant breakfast. For breakfast, I eat 1 cup of uncooked oatmeal. That ends up being a giant bowl of oatmeal. I eat 3 whole eggs, and I eat 1 cup of egg whites. I throw some blueberries and bananas in the oatmeal, and away I go. It's a ton of food. I'm stuffed when I'm done. That makes me happy. But the nutrition inside of that breakfast is actually really good for the entire day's numbers. Now keep in mind, this is not eat whatever you want. And it's not calories don't matter, they do. And it's not I found a loophole in the whole overeating thing. Calories still matter, and I do track them mentally. So if I overeat calories, then I will gain weight just like anybody else. So onto my really big dinner. I eat a massive dinner. I eat a dinner so big that a lot of times I actually have to force myself to finish it. But I have to finish it because my protein numbers and my calorie numbers and my other macros need to be at a certain point every day. So I gotta eat it even if I don't wanna eat that much. And here's the key. Aside from what I eat that keeps me lean, keeps me thin and around 175 pounds is exercise. I don't think I would stay as lean as I am and keep my weight under control if it weren't for jumping rope and if it weren't for body weight and dumbbell workouts. Movement creates room for food. So I didn't solve overeating, I learned how to manage it for myself. And if you're an overeater, you can apply these same principles to the way you eat. And what I did, and you can do too, is to quit building your nutrition and your diet around who you wish you were and start building it around who you actually are. So if you've struggled with your weight because you love food too, you're not broken. You just need a better strategy around your eating. Go grab my Lose 5 Pounds in 7 Days workout and nutrition plan right now. It's free at genxjumps.com/lose5. It's the same simple approach that's helped me keep 50 pounds off now for over 10 years.